Your angels are proud of you because despite what comes your way, you remain consistent in working towards your goals. Whatever it may be you are working on, or even just a simple reminder to Paul that asking for your advice is already a great help for them. Be consistent in encouraging those close to you, and do it with consistency at all times. There is a fantastic opportunity coming your way that could lead to the accumulation of financial wealth, so seize it while it is still available through God's grace. You are becoming more self-sufficient than ever before, making a name for yourself in the industry. You must understand that you are deserving of every ounce of God's blessing. You must be willing to help not only yourself, but also others who are in need. This is also the ideal time to mend any broken family, friendship, or relationship ties. If you are confident in your position, keep your distance from them so that they can eventually come to understand your position and accept it for what it is. Take care of your body right now to help yourself. Take time to love and care for yourself. Take up meditation, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. Another way to communicate with God is through prayer. God always operates and provides solutions in enigmatic ways. This is the time of year when great, influential people who are good for your heart, mind, body, and soul will surround you. Never go back to those from whom God has separated you during this time. Your spiritual journey likely has multiple timelines. Recognize that the people in your circles are those who resonate with your spirit and life's purpose. Everything that is happening will help you in achieving harmony and peace. Be brave enough to love and be kind to others. God will always empower you, and the universe will never fail you.